Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get paid $100 over and over again just for typing about weird things, guys, okay? And I'm going to give you a few tips at the end of the video, so make sure that you stay to the end. So let's get started right now. Hi guys, since you are on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out that on my channel art right here on the right, you see the Make Big Money Here link. That is the link that you need to click if you want to find out how I make a passive income online and make a full-time income doing it this way. And you need to learn some online skills, guys, to be able to do this. And this program that I've been involved with for a long time now, since 2016, has been teaching me how to do this, and I know they can teach you as well. So check it out, and I hope you make a big money soon with it. So let's get into the site that I want to show you today. All right, Listverse. Okay, to get to this site, it's called listverse.com. So what is this site about? This site is about giving you news on or articles about top 10 lists about different things. And the things that they like most are crazy things, crazy stories. And anybody can submit an article writing about top 10 lists. And you can scroll down here to the bottom. It says submit a list. And here it is, guys, okay? This is how you submit a list, okay? There's a lot of things that you need to read here, but what I'm going to show you right here. Before submitting your list, make sure it is proofread and edited. Lists that lack novelty are less likely to be accepted, and all lists must conform to the highest standards of the English language. Lists without sources, see the author's guide, will be rejected immediately. So I guess if you're referencing things and you don't reference the right sources that you got the information from, then you won't get approved. So you should click this guide to make sure you go through it and know what they are expecting. So lists must not duplicate content found on Listverse or other sites, including YouTube. So before you make your list, make sure that on the internet, you could do a quick search on Google and make sure that list is not on the internet. Payments, we pay $100 per list that we choose to publish. In order to make $100 over and over again, you could basically submit as many as you want, because there is no limit. They don't say there's a limit. But there is a time when there's too many people submitting. So sometimes they'll say, oh, there's no more submissions allowed. So right now they are accepting submissions, and that's why I want to do a video about it, because there's another time that I was trying to do a video about this, but then it was not accepting any articles. So right now they are accepting, so it's a great time for you to do this right here, okay? They actually have the author's guide here that you can click, but here are some hints. List must be your own work, must include 10 items. List should be fewer than 1,800 words. That includes the introduction. Include quality online sources, not Wikipedia or editable content that verify facts for each item on your list. Format the sources according to section 8 of the author's guide. And don't forget to read the entire author's guide before submitting. So you really do need this information right there, okay? And also, they have this contest going on right now. I mean, there's not a lot of months left in 2019, but if your list is going to be the highest page views in the remaining month of 2019, then you're going to win $1,000, okay? So highest page views, it means that your article is going viral and everybody wants to click on it, everybody wants to read it. And so they are going to get a lot of page views for the article that you submitted. So they're going to tell us who won, who has the best list for the remainder of the months in 2019. I think they say the same thing also when I go to write and get paid. So write and get paid. So this is more information about it. So for the remaining months of 2019, we're excited to announce that all accepted submissions will be eligible for a monthly prize of $1,000 US. See below. Also, they pay by PayPal. You will need to make sure that you have access to PayPal. So if you do have access to PayPal, this opens up to a lot of people. So it is worldwide in that sense, but obviously it's not available in all countries because PayPal is not available in every single country. So you're going to need to have, be able to have access to PayPal to be able to write in here. So if you look at their examples though, you could get ideas from the lists that they have here. So if you just go back to list first and get ideas from the ones that are already on here, right? You have like 10 ways we are being watched, monitored, and spied on. 10 outlandish conspiracy theories about the Nazis. Like they have all sorts of topics, and that's what I like about this is that you can literally write about anything you want. Top 10 mysteries and crimes solved by the internet. 5 awesome radioactive tourism spots that'll leave you glowing. I mean, these are like 10 insane non-food uses for food items. So when you are looking for these 10 facts, that's what they're talking about, the sources. So where are you finding out? So basically you got to research on the internet to find out, top 10 things. And so look at this top 10 stomach churning facts about people eating dogs. So, and they put disturbing because they want to put a warning. So there's some weird stuff that you can write about, and they don't care how weird. I guess the more weird it is, the better it is. The more shocking things are, the more likely you might get accepted. So that is a pretty easy way to make $100. And so I'm going to give you some top 10 list ideas, okay? And so I try to be as creative as I can, and I just took a few minutes, so I didn't take a very long time to come up with these 5 ideas. I have 5 ideas I'm going to show you. So the first idea is 10 ways to wipe yourself without toilet paper while camping, guys, okay? So there are actually articles about 10 ways to wipe yourself without toilet paper, but there isn't one about while camping. So stuff like this, so you can add your own twist to anything that you see. So even if you found a topic on here, but you can also still make a twist to it to make it a new thing, okay? So while camping, so that means that you gotta think about things while camping. So you're in a forest or campsite, and then you gotta think about what things that they can use, okay? And you can get ideas from the internet, and then make sure you are writing down or noting down where you're getting your information, because like list first says that they want to know where you're getting your information from, and you're gonna have to like kind of list it somewhere in your article, okay? The second one is top 10 celebrities who name their babies with everyday words. So this is like a trend these last few years. So there's gotta be tons of them doing this. So you can easily find a bunch of them on the internet. And now here, this one, top 10 weirdest things sold online. And if you do a search on this, seriously, you're gonna find some weird things that are sold online. And you may need to add a little bit more to this title to make it a more twist. If there are articles already about this, you just gotta add a little twist for a particular topic or something like that, okay? Here's another one. 10 ways to keep your baby happy and quiet while at a funeral. So this is kind of like a how-to post. And so I have been in this situation actually myself. It is not a fun topic, but it can help a lot of mothers out there or parents out there that have to attend a funeral but need to keep their children quiet, okay? And lastly, this one is kind of fun. This is for the people who are a little bit older, obviously. Top 10 scary movies that are still found on VHS. You need to know what VHS is, okay? So I'm kind of dating myself. Of course I know what VHS is. It is a time before Blu-ray and DVDs, okay guys? So look it up. So that's it for this video. Those are the 5 ideas I'm going to show you. So I hope you liked this website called ListFirst, where you could earn $100 over and over again using PayPal as well. And you could submit as many lists as you can so that you have more chances of getting published and getting paid, okay? But if you really like to write though, it is best to learn how to do it for yourself, okay? And the link that I showed you in the beginning of this video, the program in that Make Big Money link that is on the top right of my YouTube channel, and it's also shown on the About tab of my YouTube channel. If you're on mobile, you just gotta scroll down to the bottom of the About page and you'll see the same link over there, okay? Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video, and hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys, okay? I hope you liked this video and making big money soon. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.